Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aklinda Tohuns. You can call me Indah. I come from Patani and in Ternate I live in Sasa. Now I study at the University of Muhammadiyah Maluku Utara. I made this video to fulfill my final assignment. I will tell two of the most beautiful experience in my life in 2018. In early 2018, precisely in early April, I was chosen to be one of the district MTQ participants held in the Peniti village as Patani district. I took part in the Fahmil Quran raids. At the time, I was assigned by the Subdistrict Secretary to learn religious knowledge but used English. I learned hard and the enthusiasm with the support of the Kafilah Subdistrict of Patani. When I appeared, I tried to give the best but got wounded and I did not qualify for the final round. But I'm very happy because this became the most beautiful experience in my life. I'm very proud of myself. And my second experience was when I followed the Paskibraka level of the Middle Halmahera Regency. In May 2018, the Paskibraka from the district came to my village. They would select candidates for the district level. As the selection was carried out in my school, they did a combined selection. There are two schools that joined in the selection, namely the SMK Negeri 7 Central Halmahera and MA Haji Salahuddin Patani. The selection activity took place so strictly because there was supervision of the district team, starting from the measure of height, body weight, and many participants in the selection, so that competition between schools is getting tougher. Saying many participants who took part in this selection, I remained optimistic. I was sure I would have expected me very confident when I was called forward for the measure of height and weight. After that, the trainers measured my height. At the time, my height was 163 cm and my weight was 50 kg. After all participants have been selected by the team delivering the direction that the announcement of the graduation of the 2018 Paskibraka candidate participant will be sent at the beginning of July 2018. A month later, at the beginning of July, after the school went on to school precisely on July 7, that coincided with my birthday. That day, I arrived at the beginning of my school, and my friends, who was also one of the participants of the Paskibraka selection, that morning we chatted about the result of the graduation announcement. Shortly after the conversation, we were called. The school principal entered his room. Me and my two male friends who were called the principal, we walked to the room with a sense of nervous. After the school you invited us to sit and then explain the result of the announcement of the patient selection. And Alhamdulillah, me and my two male friends were elected as candidate for Paskibraka Halmahera Regency representing Patani district from the Central Halmahera from two public high school. The school that has escaped in the selection of the Paskibraka in 2018 was only a middle high school, to Halmahera Middle High School. On Monday, I and my two male friends were interrupted by the principal and his secretary to go to the city of Fedik to take part in the candidate Paskibraka training in the Central Halmahera Regency. After arriving in the city of Fedik, we were picked up directly by our Paskibraka community in the quarantine of Paskibraka Central Halmahera Regency. After that, the principal and his secretary only advised us to be enthusiastic in participating and giving the best for this country, and for proud of Patani Subdistrict and SMA Negeri 2 Halmahera Middle Principal and his secretary resolved the return to Patani. When entering quarantine, there were 30 candidates for Paskibraka from various sub-districts in Central Halmahera Regency. Each room in the inn consists of 2 participants, female and some participants are separated. At the time, I thought I would not get friends and I turned out that I had a lot of friends who had the same purpose, raising the red and white Saka on the day of independence letters. On the first day of our training was asked to introduce ourselves, our origin, and our school names. We also asked to memorize all the names of Paskibraka trainers. If not memorized, we will be legally until we can memorize all the trainers and our friends' names. Within a month, while in quarantine, we trained the way liners to line right. We were physically and mentally trained so that we became a great Paskibraka. We were also not allowed to hold telephones and or telephone sizes. When we made a mistake, we would be punished. We have been in the law of sleep. The broke the hot sun was hot for 10 minutes. In the training time, I was chosen to be a bearer of the heirloom flag. I was very grateful. I did not expect to be assigned to be a bearer of the heirloom flag. After a month passed, the next day, on August 15, 2018, was the day of the inauguration of candidate for Paskibraka, the day when we were inaugurated as a member of Paskibraka Central Halmahera Regency. And the next day, we were on August 16. We were not allowed to practice because on that day we were asked to rest to prepare all our energy on August 17 later. The next day, on August 17, 2018, precisely on Friday, our female participants were woken up at 3 a.m. We ordered showering, breakfast, and the ladies get makeover. At 5 a.m., the sons participants were wakened to take a shower and get ready. At 10 a.m., we will rush towards the ceremony. Before leaving, we will pray together. After arriving in the DP or the preparation area, the briefing of the red and white Saka had arrived. At the time, I was very nervous. Alhamdulillah, we managed to raise this red and white flag into the most historic day in my life. After the flags raising was photographed with the regent and Paskibraka coach. In the afternoon, the deadline in the flag ceremony also went smoothly and successful. After finishing the ceremony, of all friends and coach crying because that day was our victory day of being happy and sad. After that, we returned to the quarantine at night. After finish the Maghrib prayer, we headed to the residence of Mr. Regent Halmahera Center to eat together. After eating, we rushed to Pandopo Valsino to take part in the next activity, namely a friendly activity, as well as the submission of award character to all Paskibraka participants who were submitted by Mr. Regent Halmahera Central along with his work staff and all coach Paskibraka. On Saturday, we inaugurated Espurna Paskibraka Indonesia Central Halmahera Regency. After that was the farewell event of all participants in a very sad day because few would all return to their hometown. We said it's other hand a polite and give each other a gift as a sign of our separation. My message of easy Indonesian children should never give up. What you want to continue to practice, try and pray. For this country is proud to have a great young generation. Don't ask what the country give you, but ask what you have given to his country. So many of my experience when they were member of Paskibraka. Thank you for your attention and sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.